everyone, so I am like really tired right now. Like I've slept 1 hour. Same with Jyoti. Slept 1 hour.
Tired on your mat,
You're
Shut
tired.
up. No, I'm not tired.
Okay, he's not tired. I'm tired.
So guys, our journey begins from here now. It's from Southampton and we are going to Sydney.
Gatwick first. First stop, Gatwick.
First stop Gatwick and then Dubai again for 12 hours.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a long stay. I think
4 hours stay.
No, 4 hours stay.
4 hours stay.
5 hours, 5 to 6 hours stay.
4 hours stay,
I have seen
Jyoti.
tickets. Yes.
4 hours, okay.
Alright, whatever.
Okay, so we're gonna go. I'll keep you posted.
Very hungry.
Excuse me. Bye. Right guys, so my 25-hour flight turned into a 35-hour flight. So I'm actually flying with Emirates. So what happened is, whilst I was at Gatwick, they delayed the flight by an hour, which is like no big deal because that's happened to me before, and it literally is, that just meant 1 less hour in Dubai. What actually then happened was that they were like, actually the flight's been cancelled, so our flight was cancelled, so we had to go through that immigration, picked up our luggage, get everything rebooked, and they booked us to the 4 o'clock one from Heathrow Airport. So we had to get to Heathrow Airport. They provided us with coaches, which was cool, so we went by coach to Heathrow, and then got a flight from there. So our flight, which was supposed to be at 9 o'clock, ended up being at 4 o'clock. So that was like, I was at the airport for 9 hours that day. And then on top of that, they were like, okay, so once you land in Dubai, you have to wait for another 7 hours. Whereas my original flight was 4 hours stay. And I was like, right, so that literally longed out my flight even longer. So now instead of landing on the 8th, I'm now landing on the 9th, but it's just such a hassle and I'm so tired, and on top of that my back's been hurting so much, and the flight attendants weren't actually really helpful at all. I did ask if there's any way that I could lay down even for a little bit. They were like, yeah, you could pay £1,000 and then you can lay down. I was like, great. So you cancel our flight twice, ongoing and outgoing flights, both were cancelled, and now my back's hurting from the whole day of like stressing out, not knowing where to go, and all that. And now, yeah, so we're currently at Dubai, where our stay, how many hours, so we landed at 3. it's now 7, so it's been 4 hours. I've got another 3 hours until, so our flight's at 10. So Jyothi's just going to get us food for breakfast. Once we get food, we'll probably start making our way towards the gate. So we'll be ready for that and we don't miss that. But the funny thing is, I was saying to Jyothi, I was like, Jyothi, watch, I've got a feeling that we're going to miss our flight, because that night we only slept an hour, and we slept an hour on the coach. So literally after an hour we were at the like after an hour of sleeping, we had made our way to the airport for 6. Flight was at 9, so we got there and I was like, well, I've got a feeling that our flight will be missed. So I was like, can we both make sure that we don't sleep until we're on the flight itself? And he was like, yeah, that's fine. And it turned out it got cancelled, but it wasn't because of me. So, and yeah, I look a complete mess. So yeah, I mean, I'm just literally just going for it. So I've got a crop jumper on, and then I've got some leggings and my Puma. Wait, can you see? Wait, no. Let me show you in 2 seconds. Yeah, my leggings, and then I've got my Pumas. I don't know if you can see. There we go. So yeah, they're new. I kind of love them actually, I'm not gonna lie. I really do love them. That's the situation. So we're going to see if we can get compensation for that, because it's not just that. They actually, I was supposed to come back on the 30th back to England. Now I'm coming back on the 28th. So I lose out on 2 days there as well. So I've lost out on 3 days with Emirates. And if you think about it, I lose out on 3 days on my holiday, which sucks. So yeah, that's the situation, and I'll update you once I'm in Sydney, because yeah. Jyothi's being mean.
Huh?
How?
अभी सारी तस्वीरें खराब हो गई।